Tell you about the water cycle. Like a big adventure for water. Let's talk about evaporation. Thunder, thunder. When I heat the water in this kettle, it will steam. Turn into steam. What did that feel like? See, the water is getting excited. Now it's moving very fast. See, like this. See, this is evaporation. The water is turning into steam. Now let's talk about condensation. And now I'm gonna put the plate on the kettle. Let's see what happens. When the steam hits the cool plate, it turns back the steam into liquid. This is because the water loses its heat and cools down. It is like the steam is saying, "Oh no, I'm too hot, I need to cool down." Finally, let's talk about precipitation. Because of the heat, when the water gets too hot and heavy and then it falls back down. This is exactly what happens when it rains. The cloud gets too heavy, then it just falls down.